So Sia brings out the evil side of her, where she pretends to be Ushogi, bagcine lapho bayaphuzana. And this is one-sided because there was no Shoki there. She is pretending to be somebody she's not and making it as if uh, Konumoya ufika kuyena. She started by writing a letter. Now she's at a point where athi uNkosi must. In fact, she was the one that initiated the kiss to Nkosi and then pretending to be Ushoki. This is gonna end bad. How bad, I don't know, but it just does not look right. Because now she knows deep down in her heart that what she's doing is wrong and it's not even spirit led, according to her. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Sanbonan, Abshin, Molweni, Minjani, Hipukile Hingongwina. So, namutlha ka nono kwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma kuri swilo asitshamiseka ngikahle, looking at the fact that Upinki is Maria's friend, but Uri dijo pili kwa before friendship. Now Hezekiel has come back now to Tembisa and he's doing the most. Over and above that, he's recruiting youth. He is also recruiting adults, and him recruiting adults, ubafadi grocery. Ubafile the grocery, and one of the people that received the grocery say, okay, Chomia Maria. And remember, Maria Isaac, habarati Ezekiel, because Ezekiel unalimi kuba. Ezekiel sale abatla home, hore asua Maria. So that he can get the benefits when she has passed on. Now that is where the problem erupted to say, Pinky, why would you get food from Ezekiel while you know exactly what she has done to my sister? And Pinky was like, remember, I've got kids. Nengane kumele ngizondle mina angeke ngizofa ingane zami zilambe ukudla kwamahala kukhona just because I am your friend. So I will do what's best for my children. Okusalayo, it does not mean ukuthi mina angikuthandi wena njengomngane, ngiyakuthanda kodwa into ezenza ukuthi ngilambe angizwani nayo. So now they had a conversation and Maria was not happy and Pinky obviously was maintaining. I kind of feel like I like Pinky because she was honest and upfront to say, yes, I'm your friend, but I'm going to take free food. Me taking free food does not mean that I'm taking sides, but I'm still your friend. If it was somebody else, they could have lied to say, no, I got this food from Abuz Banbani instead of just telling the truth. I got it from Prophet Ezekiel. So it was in the how Pinky said, Ezekiel. Oh my God. She finished me saying, Ezekiel. But again, anyway, on to other pressing matters. The relationship between Lomtana lo, Ubabwake, no Faith, it's not working. She went as far as going to the blogs and write about Faith, and the comments are really not nice. Is she willing to apologize? No. Ulela Umawake, and she feels that whatever Faith that is bringing in the house is going to be a bigger separation, and she does not want to be lonely. Now, Faith come to a decision ukuthi lo mntana lo akangithandi and there's nothing that's going to happen, so I'm just going to stop trying, because it means that whatever that I try to do ngathi nje akukho engikwenzayo, because she is just gonna hate on it. And she says that at least the blogger says you dress well. That was the only positive comment. This came soon after Ulez says to Ufaith, you need to see what has been posted about you. They said you are a homewrecker. You run from one tycoon to the other when utanda madoda nje. But in particular, this one is a married man. So yini buhlungu kuphi? Why a married man and not any other tycoon? So this did not sit well with Ufaith, and she said she was going to get to the bottom of it. Les actually thought they should do a press conference and give side of the story, but Faith obviously decided that they handle it differently.